We're back on the tickets today. Had a fun one this week that was super dumb, super silly. I spent way too much time on it, and the solution just made it worse because it was so easy. Now, there are a ton of guides out there that are going to tell you how to solve problems with your VPN, specifically talking about the Meraki VPN or using Windows VPN today. Sometimes all you need to do is change some adapter settings. And to do that, you go to the adapter, right-click Properties, go to Security, and check allow these protocols. Also checking the boxes that show up next to PAP and CHAP. Next to PAP and the CHAPs. Does that sound like some sort of like posh Western, like it's Pappy and the Chappies? I don't know. If you're getting an error that the username and password combination is incorrect, 99.9% of the time your user has had their password expired. You can fix that by resetting their password in Active Directory, remoting in with them, logging into the VPN as you, hitting the lock button, and having them sign in with their new password. VPN should be working now. Stupid cache creds. I hate it. What I'm talking about is when you're trying to connect to the VPN on a Meraki or in Windows, and it's telling you that the connection was terminated by the remote computer. And honestly, the thing that fixed it was super dumb. You want to see how I did it? Let's flip over to the machine here. I'll just show you. So what we're talking about, we'll go through it real quick, is if we go to VPN settings, right? And you're having some issues. If we just click on change adapter options, you can right click on this, go to properties, go to security, and you want the PAPs and the CHAPs checked, unless your company has a guide that says to do it different. Sometimes you don't need to do CHAP v2, sometimes you don't need to do CHAP, sometimes it just requires the PAP. Making sure that those are checked will oftentimes solve your issues. What you can also do is you can come into advanced settings and just make sure you put the correct password in there and make sure that that is good to go. No, how did I fix this issue when remote session is terminated, or the session was terminated by the remote computer? How did we do it? Well, I went to File Explorer, scrolled down to Network, clicked on Network, and this is the exact error that I got. So that just works out. Network discovery is turned off. Network computer and devices are not visible. Please turn on network discovery in Network Sharing Center. You hit OK. This guy drops down. You click it. You click Turn on Network Discovery. Yes, turn it on. Try to connect to the VPN again. Do it. Try. I bet you 50-50 it works. Another thing that you can do is go into Device Manager, find the VPN's network adapters in there, go ahead and uninstall, reboot the computer, right click on the adapter, uninstall, reboot the computer. If it's still there, after it pops back up, open Device Manager again, check if that VPN connection is still there. If it's not, recreate that session and try to connect to it now. Meraki VPN and Windows VPN in general can be super stupid and super finicky. For example, if a user tries to connect to a VPN down here in the system tray, right? And they click on this and then they click on one of the VPNs and it just spins forever. You know how to fix that? I'll show you. You just type in VPN settings, find the VPN, and connect that way. Sometimes when you open it from the tray, it just spins and spins and spins and spins and spins and doesn't do anything. And then if you just click cancel or whatever on there and then go to VPN settings in the search bar, open up the VPN settings, click on the VPN and click connect, usually it doesn't spin. Don't know why. It's dumb. I hope I was able to help you out with your VPN issue today. If I did, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to stay up to date on all my latest content. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.